In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, understanding how to navigate Zoho Books efficiently can make a significant difference in managing your business's finances. Let's dive right in, starting with the essentials. First, launch your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the command center of your accounting activities, where you oversee your finances in real time. Here's where you'll get an overview of all your financial data neatly summarized. From the dashboard, click on the Items tab. This section allows you to manage your entire inventory effectively. Here you can add new products or services, track sales, and even monitor stock levels. Understanding this area is crucial if you deal with product inventories or service lists, helping you keep everything organized in one place. Next up, click on the Banking tab. This feature is incredibly beneficial for linking your bank accounts with Zoho Books, giving you a seamless integration that simplifies your transaction management. Within this area, you can review bank statements, reconcile accounts, and ensure all your financial records align with your bank's records. Continuing on, now navigate to the Sales section. This area provides a comprehensive view of all your sales activities. By clicking on Sales, you can generate invoices, manage customer accounts, and track payments effortlessly. This is essential for maintaining a smooth cash flow and ensuring timely payments. After reviewing sales, shift your focus to the Purchases tab. This section functions similarly to sales, but is dedicated to your expenses. Here you can manage vendor invoices and payments and keep track of purchase orders of some SIVs. Efficiently handling your purchases helps in maintaining accurate records and can aid in expense forecasting. Up next is time tracking. If you offer services that charge by the hour or project, this function will be immensely helpful. This feature enables you to track billable hours and tie them to invoices, ensuring you get paid accurately for your efforts. It's a time-saving tool designed to make billing as effortless as possible. Now, let's explore the Accountant section. This particular area is tailored for your accounting team. It offers various features that simplify accounting tasks like journal entries and chart of accounts management. It's a part of Zoho Books designed with accountants in mind, ensuring that your financial data is up to date and accurate. Afterward, move on to Reports. This section helps you generate a multitude of financial reports to gain insights into your business's performance. Whether it's profit and loss statements, balance sheets, or custom reports, these insights can guide your strategic decision-making. Finally, conclude your exploration with the Documents tab. This is your go-to for storing and managing any financial documents you might need, offering a digital alternative to traditional filing systems. It enables easy access and organization of all pertinent information related to your financial transactions. And there you have it. This quick guide covers how to navigate Zoho Books, ensuring you leverage every feature to optimize your financial management. Remember, the more familiar you are with each section, the better you'll be able to use Zoho Books to its fullest potential. Happy accounting!